Now we are hanging up this pole. This project is located in New Clark City in Philippines. It is for Philippines 2019 South Asian SEA Games. We are installing around more than 100 poles here. This pole is 8 meters tall, 8 meters high, and there are two. As you see, there are two solar lights here. One is 80 watt, and the small one is 30 watt. If you like these products, please contact us. Now we have many inquiries from many customers. Dubai, Bahrain, Kuwait, Saudi Arabia, many government inquiries. We are looking for an agent for these products.